myself. I love the games. I don't care about that stuff. I've
Nice
never turned it on, nor will I ever turn on an accompanying cast.
Everything's about what they can control. It has nothing to do with wanting to take care of it. They don't take care of women, and they were supposedly
nice cutoff. Cheap driver.
And didn't give us our rights, right? We had to demand that stuff. It wasn't
for you to quote. We do have a Discord. The Discord is a fan-run group, so a place to kind of bounce off ideas. Maybe our last caller can send some.
Exit dive behind me. Two of them.
About why people leave the church, you know, and that's a real problem because they make a big assumption about
exit dive
rather than ask people.
This is worse. I mean, this is pulling the wool over the eyes of kids who really don't have any choice but to be there. They were stuck. Phil, what do you think? What would you like to say about this?
What I will say is that this is what some Christians do to prostitute the lives.
But right? Why'd you move over here if you're just going to move back?
One thing that seems okay, but really, right, preaching at
I did. Marco Rubio, the U.S. Senator from Florida, even tweeted out the same sentiment. And I've been really interested in these photographs, just like you, August. I've been really interested in astronomy. What the goals are of the Dolphins this year? I would be very careful before I put him down because he clearly, and I have no expertise in this
area. Why are you stopping?
Clearly,
really,
a debilitating neurological injury. I don't know how long.
Are you exit diving?
I have no clue how long injury. I don't know how long.
Are you exit diving?
I have no clue how long that will take to do.
Why'd you do that?
They better put him through, and the NFL is doing better now because they had their feet held in the fire, and because the players are smarter now. Stuff like that cannot go on. When someone suffers a head injury, when someone suffers a concussion.
At this point, so you have this influx of just really bad material in informational graphics that they have inside of their books.
Left turn from the center lane and straight from the left turn lane.
I even have my book about.
See if that shows up on camera.
Sure I can pull intelligence for years because I also did not expect to live past like 25, and here I am still kicking. And like, how do you deal with
really,
that?
School bus? You've got to be kidding me. See how this turns out, because he ain't getting in front of me. I know that. I've been waiting here for a while. Oh, you're lucky the guy behind me is nice. You're lucky. How do you screw up that badly?
To just look because you're not allowed to, but if you just gave yourself permission to just ask yourself questions,
right?
That's that. Asking questions is like the gateway draw.
I think that was an exit dive up there.
Christianity.
Maybe that aren't following along with the story, and I think that anybody who's like how they can talk about different things that we should be aware of what's going on in that community because it's important.
Really?
It's really important.
It really is. I mean,
It's like. Wait, hold. He was going down the wrong way. See if I got that on camera. I was paying attention to the left.
Let's get through the series first and see what happens. And again,
and turn signal will be nice.
5 days have proved that they can win this series.
Oh, now you learn how to use it.
Very much on even carry too.
I think that's no stop. Toyo turd.
Podcast provider. It's the Mike Francesa podcast on the Bet Rivers Network.
Good evening, everybody.
No
Welcome
stop.
to the Mike Francesa podcast.
No stop. Oh, ran right through the stop sign. Tow truck. Dude behind me has no headlights on. Yeah, what if that dude merging on didn't see you? I mean, come on. That was red light run. No stop. I don't think that guy stopped. No stop. I'll count that as a stop. The Lexus gets a pass. Stop. The Lexus gets a pass. Oh, shit. Whew. This is like the first thing I've seen on this road all morning. It's double lined here. It's double lined here. Turn off your high beams! High beams, you frickin' douche! Oh, shit. Holy fuck, do you have to have your lights? What the? Really? Why the fuck are your lights on that bright? Really? Why are you tailgating me? The lights up there is red. No stop.